this is a little tip for leveling gravel if you're putting in a footer, or in my case I'm just putting in railroad ties around a hot tub pad, which will be all gravel, so no concrete anywhere. And I was thinking of how difficult it would be to kind of level the whole thing with railroad ties, because these suckers are 192 pounds a piece, the supplier said. I don't want to be moving them in and out a lot and checking level. I just want it to be perfect the first time. So I was watching a video by Andrew Camarata, and I'll put a link down in the description, and maybe a link to the video up there, where he was putting in a septic tank, and he had to have the bottom of it level, and there was water in the hole, and he was filling it with gravel. So he just filled the gravel up to the height of the water. So that gave me a good idea. Why not do it here? So here's my hot tub pad. This is all virgin, undisturbed dirt. Well, mud right now. And here's the perimeter. And this is water that I get out of the creek. My subscribers would know about that. There's a little collecting bucket up there. And I'm gonna have a hydro system. Probably next spring I'm gonna put in all the way up there, generating about 400 watts. Anyways, I'm using the water, and I just have this short piece of pipe to extend it to the corner here where I'm draining the excess. So to have this level, you don't want the water flowing anywhere in this. So you want the water entering where it's draining. In my case, it's draining off the corner here, and that's all clay. And I was able to adjust the height by just pressing down on that clay to adjust the level of the water in here to where I want it. And if you had put that water entering in that far corner, then that far corner would be higher, because the water has to flow through all the gravel, which requires slope. So it would be, I don't know, maybe a ½ inch higher in that corner, and I want it to be dead flat. So yeah, here's a really cool tip. That's electrical. I already dug underneath. That's 18 inches deep there, and going over to disconnect there that I have installed. Oh, I suppose you guys want to see that it's approximately level the whole way around. So you can see that there's water pooling in all bits, and it's about the same level. And I used just a hoe there to do some fine tuning, and then a tamper to level out any local high spots. Like maybe right there's a little local high spot. I need to tamp that down a little bit, and that'll redistribute the rocks. And the rocks really redistribute pretty easily when they're submerged in water like this. So it's good. It's a Sunday after Thanksgiving, so it's winter or late fall, and I'm wearing a t-shirt doing all this work. Of course, it's still only like 40 degrees out, but you know, I got a lot of built-in insulation, unfortunately, so I'm staying warm. And my nose is running. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Well, I'd make a heart symbol, whatever, I don't know. See you around.